This 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 22RBX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, oven, stovetop burner, awning, microwave, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 22RBX is 5,749 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.